Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll answer one very common question: how to install Downloader on an LG Smart TV. Let's get straight to the real answer. You cannot install the Downloader app on LG Smart TV. The popular Downloader app that people use on Fire TV or Android TV is not available for LG WebOS TVs. Let me explain in a simple way. LG Smart TVs run on a different operating system called WebOS, and the Downloader app is made only for Android-based platforms. So if you open the LG Content Store and search for Downloader, you will not find it. There is no official way to install it on LG TV. Now, here's what you can do instead. If you only want to download or open files from the internet, you can use the built-in web browser on your LG Smart TV. Just open the browser, go to the website, and access the file directly from there. But keep in mind, you still cannot install Android APK apps. Downloader app is not supported on LG Smart TV. A PK installation is not supported on LG Web. OS built-in web browser is only basic alternative. That's the real and updated answer. Thanks for watching.